We have division of algebraic fractions. How we do division of algebraic fractions? The same like division of fractions. So first we have to copy first fraction. So we have 7x cubed over x squared, and we change the division sign to multiplication, and we have to flip the second fraction. So it means numerator will go to denominator and denominator to numerator. So we have x to 6 power over 21x squared. Next we have to do multiplication. So it means we have to multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So we will have 7 times x cubed times x to 6 power over x squared times 21x squared. So this is equal. First we have to put the numbers. So we have 7 and the same base, so we copy the base and we have to add exponent. 3 plus 6 is 9. And first we put the number and we have the same base, x and x, so we have to add exponents. 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is equal. Next step, we have to reduce to the lowest terms. So we have 7 and 21. The greatest common factor for 7 and 21 is 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 21 divided by 7 is 3. So we have that this is equal 1 times x to 9th power over 3x to 4th power. Next, because we have multiplication in the numerator and we have the same variables, so we can reduce when we have the same power. We have x to 9th power and x to 4th power. So we will copy expression in the denominator. We always copy expression with the smallest power. And the greatest power, x to 9th power, we will write that this is x to 4th power times x, and 9 minus 4 is 5. We see now we have x to 4 and x to 4 in the numerator. So when we have the same expression, we can cancel out. And we have, of course, multiplication. Why I put x to 4 times x to 5th? Because when we have the same base, we just add exponent. We have x and x, so will be x to power 4 plus 5 is 9. I didn't change anything, I just used property of exponent. When we have the same base, x to n power times x to m power, this is x to power n plus m. We add exponents. So I just used property and we can reduce x to 4th power, so this is equal x to 5th power over 3. This is my solution.